Hey guys, this is a addendum to the lectures for the GUI programming, specifically for installing JavaFX. And here are the procedure before I introduced and suggested. I said, okay, uninstall your Java if it is not 1.8 or point something, and uninstall your Eclipse and install a fresh and clean Java, install a fresh and clean Eclipse, and then add the JavaFX plugin that in another video I said how to do that, and create a simple JavaFX project. And that um, white window should appear. In that case, you are all set. But in practice, this did not work for many of the students. So I created this video, which is the session, the office hour session for fixing the issues that students had, and it can be useful for other students who still have some problems. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so yeah, right now you can see my Eclipse, right?
Yeah, I can see that.
So it says that the imports cannot be resolved,
Uh-huh.
and from what I know, none of the quick fix match
Yeah, yeah.
what.
No, no, that's not the way that we fix the issues. First, we need to find out that your installation is correct. Let's start with go ahead, go to your preference
In
in window, go to the right, yeah. And where is the preference? Oh, that's a Mac. Probably it should be in the edit.
preferences.
Oh yeah, that's it.
You can still see it, right?
Okay, so go to Java. Please open open that and go to installed JRE. Yeah. Okay, so here's the problem. You see, that's Java 16.
Mm.
Java 16 does not contain the JavaFX. So you need to um, uninstall Java 16 and install a fresh Java 8.
Okay. But it seems to me like I've been searching to install Java 8 and that, they're kind of like, okay, that's too old. Sorry, we do not offer that anymore. Kind
In,
of.
in in Oracle?
Yeah, in Oracle.
Yeah,
Like,
can you open the browser here?
yeah, wait 1 second.
Yeah.
Download.
Okay.
So,
So
in
um yeah,
this,
go here. Yeah, and wait because we have two websites for Oracle to install. So it didn't ask you to log in.
no, this one, there's, I download one eight that, I download one that asked me to log in. So I had to create an account.
Yeah, you
Uh,
you need to create. Oh, you created the account. This is
yeah,
the one.
yeah, but it was for 17, not for 8.
Yeah, you need to log in. Um, do you have any login here?
View account.
Yeah, sign in.
Oh, wait, yeah,
Oh,
I can see my name here, so that means I'm signed in.
no,
This
it's
one,
at 17. Yeah.
but here it says something about Java 8 right here.
Ah, okay, go down. That's the
GDK 8 U31. How would you not accept download? I
Hmm.
think it doesn't ask me to log in, but it's because I logged in today, so they don't want me
Oh,
to log
yeah, yeah,
in.
maybe,
That's probably
maybe,
what happened.
maybe.
Yeah, so I have, sorry, I'm just trying to, now it's finished downloading. I just need to download this page.
Yeah, please. Yeah, install it in somewhere that you really know where it is.
So I
Just,
have this,
yeah,
all
install for all. Yeah,
destination,
yeah, change the install location. Make sure that you know where it is. Continue. Change install location. What?
how do you want to install? But when I click on change, it
Yeah.
just
Can you
go.
click on that install for all users?
I have an idea, but I just wanna see. Let me just, I close, maybe
Yeah. And go again to your Eclipse.
right here.
Yeah, make sure that you know where it is. Yeah. Yeah. Now you go to add
And
uh, and standard VM. That's correct. Next. And yeah, now you need to
yeah, I need to find it.
find it. Yeah, that's
So
17.
I'll stop sharing and I'll try to find it while you help other people.
I, for me, I followed a video
Uh-huh.
and he like the video show like how to fix like the import
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
error I was having. But then now when I even though I don't have the import error anymore, and when I run it, it's like that's like this error here.
Okay, so let's go to your preference and see. Go to window, yeah, preferences
Uh,
at the end, at the end,
oh,
yeah, yeah. Go to Java exactly. Install JREs and
uh,
so can you make this window a little bit bigger? Let's us see the. Oh yeah, that's 16 again. You see, it's
I downloaded the 8 like 1.81.
where is that? Oh, so
Uh,
you know where it is? Yeah, you can if you know where
I think
download. Have you installed that?
uh wait, hold up. I think I did download it. Yeah, it's in 1.8, but I don't know why I put it.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Go ahead and add. If you know where it is, go to add.
Hold up. Actually, I don't really know where it is. I have to find it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'll try to find it while you help other people.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. So I do recommend everybody, for everybody, developers should know everything about the installation of, especially about the Java, Eclipse, and all of those tools that you need for developing. Just create one folder for that. My habit is dev. I have a dev on my C drive. um, so in that way, you have full control what you are doing, and this will save your life a lot. Okay. All right. Anyone else want to share?
Well, I just want to say that I clicked on search instead of add, then it showed me the 1.8 and I added it and now it works. So thank you.
It works? Okay. So can you, if you don't mind, because I am recording this, if you don't mind, can you share and let me show the future people? Yeah, go to the preferences again. Yeah, exactly. So Java 8, and we need to make it as the default. Where did he go? Yeah, here, uh, after we added it, uh, in the appropriate location, then we make it default and then apply and close, and then everything goes right here. Oh, you have problem with somewhere else. Can you open that package?
It's the default package. I think you need to delete that.
You need to, what's that? No, wait. So you see that under the source, you have a default package. Yeah, you need to delete that.
You have to delete the file in it.
Okay. Now, you run, yeah, that's it. So, yeah, you're all set. You can enjoy, start coding. Okay, so the other guys, how about you? Any?
Professor, I actually found it.
Uh-huh.
Let me share my screen.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So I found it right here in the user, I think.
Oh, actually, the JDK is for the developers. Yeah, the JDK is important. Yeah,
So this one, right?
yeah. So, have you installed? Yeah, is this installed?
Uh, Wait, what do you mean by that? Like,
So you need when did you download the Java? Oh yeah, it's under the program file. So it means that you have installed it. Okay, now go to your Eclipse and add. Yeah, standard. Go and directory. Um, Go to C, program files, Java.
um, why is the window so small?
Yeah, you can make it bigger. Yeah. Okay, so where is your Java?
Oh, right here.
Yeah,
Do I
and
click this?
yeah, that one. Click. Yes. So you see it recognized the Java. You should see all of these packages over there. Now go to finish. Okay, now you need to make that one as the default. So click on that JDK, the first one, the first one, the first one.
Oh,
Yes, now it is default one. You see? Now apply and close. There you go. Okay, so now you,
oh,
yeah,
okay.
there you go. So
Cool.
you are all set too.
Yeah, so apparently I was running Java 15.
Uh-huh,
And so you said that to run JavaFX we needed Java 8.
uh-huh.
However, I followed a tutorial um, online that just allows us to run JavaFX by downloading it externally. But I think that would just be doing that for every project would just be too tedious. So,
So you can
like
switch
to
back and forth between Java 8 and other Javas. Yeah, can you share your screen? So JavaFX exists in Java 8 and Java 11. Java 8 is currently the standard, even though Oracle is, upgrading to uh, very higher level, but Java 8 is still the standard. Okay, so what is this you showing us?
oh, this is give me 1 second. This is
Mm.
okay. So I guess this is I was able to run JavaFX, but uh, doing it I had to import. If you see the library thing here, to import all of these jars. Whereas I
Oh,
think
no, that's not the
yeah
way that we do that. So
yeah
go to your go to window preferences, window preferences. Yeah, can you make it this a little bit bigger?
So, no.
Yeah, go to your Java. Yeah, can you open that? Open the Java on the left, on the navigation. Yeah, open it. Yeah, go to install JRE.
Okay.
No, 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 yeah, the big one. Okay, so what? Yeah, it's the Java 15. That's the problem. You need to install Java 8 and then come here and address the Java 8 and make it as the default. And then if you, for your other project in other courses, I don't know, you can switch back and forth between 15 and 8 here, and then everything is fine.
Yeah, so the problem with 8 is that when I went online to download it, they no longer have it accessible on the website to
No, no,
download. So,
we just have a
uh,
few students that did that right now. Yeah, open a browser.
yeah, I mean, I tried doing it. So let's see. So,
No, no, just Java 8, just Java 8 download. Yeah. Okay, wait. No, that's not the. Go to Oracle. Yeah, this one. Oracle. This one. Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Make this a little bit bigger. We cannot see this. Yeah. Okay, so have you in? Wait. Have you log in to Oracle?
I don't think so.
Yeah, you need to log in. Yeah. If you don't have any account, you need to open an account for that.
Okay. Let me just quickly do that.
Because the one that is outside that login, it's not complete. Okay, so you can unshare and do that and install the Java 8, and then we will go after that. Okay, to share your screen now.
Okay.
Yeah, go. No. Wait. No,
No.
no. First, we need to solve the Java problem. Yeah, you can close this. Go to window preferences, window. No. The menu, the
Oh, here.
Eclipse. Yeah, the Eclipse
Yes.
menu. Preferences. Go to your Java. Open that. Open. Go to install JREs. The one. No, just click on the install JRE. Yeah. Here you have Java 11.
Mm,
You see? So have you installed Java 8?
yes.
Yes, you know.
Uh-huh.
Okay, go ahead and add. Click on that add. Standard VM. Yeah, that's correct. Go to the next and directory. Find the directory. Uh-huh. Probably it is on C. Go to C, to your drive C. Yeah, go to PC, this PC on the left side,
Oh,
this
yes.
PC. Go down a little bit. C. Program files. Click and go to Java. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, select the folder, go to button, select the folder. Yeah, you see,
Mm,
so all of the JRE system libraries are recognized, and go ahead and finish. And now, yeah, make it the default one. Yeah. So here is the place that you need to, if you want to switch back and forth between different Javas, in one course maybe you need Java 16. I don't know, but then you install it, and here is the place that you need to switch back and forth between different Javas.
Okay.
Make sense? Yeah.
Yes.
Now apply and close. Okay. So now, yeah, you can open. You can create a new project and find the JavaFX. Yeah. What happened? Yeah. Can you?
Mm.
Yeah. Can you go ahead and one more time?
Go to files.
Yeah. New projects and okay. So can you type Java? Wait. Okay. You don't have JavaFX here.
Mm.
Why you don't have JavaFX? So yeah, can you cancel this? Can I see your Eclipse version? Go to help, go to about Eclipse IDE 2020. So it's a pretty old. Uh, yeah, can you please install a newer version of the Eclipse? Uh,
Okay.
yeah, so you need to um, install the newest version of the Eclipse and do the same thing that we just did,
Mm.
and then most likely it works. Yeah,
Okay.
you can do that right now. We are talking with the other students. Probably you can do that.
Okay.
That's fine.
Then yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, sure, no problem. And you are sure that you have installed the right one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I downloaded this one right here.
So let me see. Yeah, that's probably the correct one. Yeah, okay. So bring up your Eclipse.
Mhm.
And yeah, did you hear my suggestion about having a workspace, separate workspace for different courses, different projects? Yeah,
Yeah,
don't put everything in, in one workspace. That's not a good idea. They interact with each other, and if something is wrong with one of them, then you cannot run your code. So that's not a good idea. So you can create a new and fresh workspace. Yeah, you can do that right now. Go ahead and go to your file and switch at the end, switch workspace, other. Yeah, add a new. Yeah, you can browse and put it somewhere very neat.
oh,
Yeah, on
I can
desktop.
just
Yeah. You have two desktop. That's not good. But yeah, you can.
yeah, and
Okay, that's your organization. I don't mind about the. Yeah, yeah, you just.
I just hit launch.
Yeah. Go ahead and. So I don't know. It's your organization. Yeah. So your Eclipse is old too. You see, it's 2020 06. Yeah.
Oh, do I need to update that for this to work?
Yeah, it is better idea that always have the recent one, but let's go ahead and if we hit the bump, then yeah, probably yeah, you can close that welcome and go to your preferences to edit. I don't know, where is your preferences? Java, install JRE. Okay, so you have a bunch of things here. Can you make this window a little bit bigger?
Yeah.
So you see the Java 14 is now the uh, okay, so you have two Java JDK 1.8. Can you get rid of
Mhm.
the middle one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can probably yeah, you just pick the last one and now click on the yeah,
Oh,
here.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Then remove that. Yeah, we are good right now, probably. Go ahead and apply and close. Okay, now we want to create a fresh uh, project. Go ahead to maybe that works too, yeah. Go to JavaFX project. Yeah, cool. Exactly. Uh-huh. And make sure that yeah, make sure wait. Put check the third radio button. Oh, why it is JRE?
Um, I'm not
Okay,
sure.
so we did something wrong. Please cancel this.
Mhm.
Yeah, we need to go to that Java again. Go
Um,
to the preferences again.
Professor,
Yeah,
are all the Java JDKs backwards compatible?
JDK.
Like there's JDK 8, 11, 16.
They are backward uh, compatible, but for some unknown reason to me, only JDK 8 and 11 contains the JavaFX.
Okay,
That's
then
the
I'll stick to 8.
yeah. So yeah, that's correct. JDK. You see, JDK is the one. Yeah. Yeah. Let's close this. Yeah, apply and close or cancel. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and create a Java project again. Mhm. JavaFX. Yeah. Give it a name. Yeah.
Oh,
And here, um, I'm not happy with that Java JRE. So pick the
mhm.
first one. Maybe that works. And yeah, can you click on that? Let me see everything. Java 1.8. I hope that this works. Yeah, go ahead, click on that. And the rest of that, yeah, you can.
Um,
Oh,
Professor?
wait. The default compiler, oh, you see, is Java 14. You see, that's not a good
Oh, I
thing.
see.
That's not a good thing.
Mhm.
So again, cancel. Sorry about that. Cancel.
No, you're good.
Yeah, you go to the preferences again.
I think someone had a question, Professor. You can answer that.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, yeah.
Go to
So I have
compiler.
to, I
Go to compiler. Yeah, go ahead, Harun.
yeah, I have to leave for another
Yeah,
class.
yeah, go. No
However,
problem. Yeah.
when I have, I still had a problem with my Eclipse install or whatnot. But maybe I'll email you some other time.
So I am recording all of this stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
I will upload that and you can watch it. And if you have any still problem, yeah, I am with you.
Okay.
Yeah, pick the 1.8, please. Pick
Mhm.
1.8. Okay, so anything else we have? Settings. It's 1.8, 1.8. Yeah, please apply and close. Okay, now go ahead again. Let's see. Yeah, there is no warning anymore.
Okay, cool.
And yeah, you can go ahead. What's that? Eclipse? Okay. And yeah, source. Yeah, okay. Go ahead and probably desktop application. Yeah, go ahead and finish.
Professor, do you mind if I share my screen? I just want to make sure I download the correct JDK after this.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, so you don't see here any problem, but go ahead and run this application and see how you are all
Yes.
set. You are all set.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Professor. This is
sure.
killing.
Yeah, no problem. So, Brenda, that was you?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and share your screen.
Okay. I just uninstalled my old Java that I had, but I'm just wondering which one do I download?
Yeah, okay. So, JDK. So, what is your operating system? Oh, Windows. Yeah, go ahead.
Mhm.
Go down, please. Oh, wait a minute. It was Java. What version of Java that's? Go up. Go up. No, no. Go
Sorry.
up. It is 17. No, it's 17. Yeah, go down. Go down. Let me see. Maybe the 8 is there. Can you make this a little bit bigger?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's 17. Um. Oh,
Should I just like go on Google and kind of
No,
restart?
wait, you can scroll down. You can scroll down. I remember that page. It's down below.
oh, okay.
There
Okay.
are more options down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the guy.
Java 8. Scroll up.
No, down, down, down. Go.
No, that's the bottom of page. Java 8 is up.
Yeah, go to the a little bit down. Down. You should go down. Yeah.
Down. Okay.
More, more, more,
Down.
more.
Down. Down.
Oh, it is
That's that's the bottom.
the bottom one. So
Yes.
where is Java 8? Okay.
It's on top. It's up.
So scroll up.
Yes. Scroll up, and yes, you see it
Oh,
now.
right here.
Yeah.
There it is.
This one.
No,
No,
that's
no, that's the
documentation.
document. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. JDK.
For Windows.
Yeah, down, down, down. Yeah. Oh, with that. Okay. Wait. The compress archive. Compress archive. What is that? Compress archive.
These are Linux folder downloads.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
And then the 86.
The no, its size is not correct one. Have you logged in?
Yeah.
You did? So the size shouldn't be this. Maybe.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you didn't sign in. Yeah, we are seeing your passport.
Yes. Okay. So
Where was that? Yeah,
that's not 8. And then Windows.
yeah,
And then I think it's still the same options.
yeah. Okay, so go ahead and that JDK 8U301, the second one.
Mhm.
Yeah, this one. Probably your computer is 64-bit, yeah? Uh-huh.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So I'll download it and I'll let you know when it's done.
Yeah, it's very quick. Don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then something must be going wrong on my end, because for 5 minutes its status is 0% progress.
Yeah, okay. Go ahead. Did you click?
Yeah, I think it's going.
Well, we don't see anything. Probably you shared only the browser. Ah, okay. Where is it installing?
Um, you can't see my whole screen
Yeah,
right now.
now we can see that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, in the program files. Okay.
Wait a second, something's wrong on mine because it's not running for me.
So the installation?
Yeah, the installation is not running.
Yeah,
Like
prob
for how
pro
the installation is progressing, my installation is not progressing.
yeah, probably you need a reboot. Fresh,
Uh-huh.
yeah, fresh reboot.
Okay.
Yeah, go to next. Yeah. So it create two folder, one for the JRE and one for the JDK. So we need that JDK, okay?
hmm Thank you so much for holding these office hours.
Yeah, no problem. That's my job. And I am happy to help. Yeah. But this semester I decided to record everything. If I had recorded this in the previous semester, then I would say, yeah, okay, go ahead and watch that. We could save
Yeah,
some
I'm
time.
smart.
Yeah.
Especially because a lot of students run into the similar
Yeah,
problems.
and different problems, different operating system they have,
Mhm.
different installation, configuration. Okay.
All right, it progressed and I got the same screen and I hit
Close?
close.
Yeah,
Cool.
just close that. And now you can go to your Eclipse. Yeah, you can minimize all of this stuff. No, no, wait, what was that?
Mm.
No,
Oh, sorry.
no.
No, no.
So what?
Sorry. But just hit
Oh,
next.
maybe it is another installation. Yeah, now you can cancel this. Yeah, cancel.
Okay.
Probably you open two installation for that. Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
probably. Okay, let me close
yeah. You
this.
can close that one as well. You can, um,
Okay, we'll start brand new
yeah.
file.
Go to
New-
no. First we need to we check the installation. Go to your window, preferences, and let's see your Java. And first, let me see the Java compiler first. Compiler. No, under the Java. Yeah, that's it. The first one. I mean the main Java compiler. The main compiler. The the compiler
Okay.
itself. You click on the compiler itself.
Okay.
Yeah, you see here it's a 16. You need to
hmm
change it to 1.8 and then go to installed JRE on the navigation bar. Yeah, that's correct. And you need to, oh, you you installed before the open JDK, that which is not the standard one. Yeah, you can add exactly a standard VM. Go ahead and directory, click on directory, and yeah, go to the C. You can go to this PC and go down. Yeah, C. You can click on this. No, down. Yeah, this one. Program files.
x86 program files, right?
Yeah, go to Java. And okay, the JDK one. Yeah, click on the JDK and select the folder.
Wait, Professor, should it be the x86 program files or the regular program files?
No, it's a regular program file. That 86 is the old version of the Windows. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, go ahead and finish and make the first one as the default. Click on the first one. Yes, apply and close. Okay, now go ahead and create a new project. Yeah, exactly. JavaFX, yeah. And give it a name.
Okay.
Wait.
I know in the video you said to use the first selection, but I saw you in office hours click this third one, so I'm not sure which one.
Yeah, the third one is JDK. Yeah, the third one is better. Yeah.
Okay. It's because I saw on the YouTube video that you suggested to hit this one.
If it is showing, on the gray part, if it is showing the JDK, then whichever that it shows the JDK 1.8. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Got
the
it.
first
Thank
one is
you.
showing Java SE, which is probably not good. Yeah. Finish.
Okay. Okay, and then we go,
Source.
yeah,
Mhm.
then delete this one.
Main. Yeah. The first one, main.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Click, double click. There we go. Okay, now go ahead and
Bill.
run. Yeah, exactly. There you go. There
Awesome.
you go. Okay, so you are all set.
Amazing. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
sure, no problem. Yeah. Okay, Raul, what's your story?
Uh, so for me, the installation process happened, and by default, it got installed in the program files x86. And
What? So probably you picked the wrong JDK. So there are two
well,
JDK. One is 64 bit, the other one is 32 bits. Probably you picked the 32 bits.
there are no 32-bit options here. There's only
No, no, can you
yeah.
share your screen?
So I picked this one,
Oh,
the
okay, so
x86.
the first one is the 32 bit, is a 586. It's XT. Oh, on the left side you see the x86, you see?
Yes,
So you need to 64 one.
I need this one.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, probably you need to uninstall that one. So
Okay.
while you are downloading this, you can go ahead and uninstall that one.
Okay. Where will I uninstall? Okay, yeah.
Yeah, to go to your Windows search for the program, and it brings the add and remove programs.
Java 8 update. Uninstall.
Yeah, I cannot see your screen now. I just see the browser. So when you share your screen, you should share the monitor instead of the, yeah, there we go. So yeah,
I'll,
yeah, exactly.
I'll uninstall all of these Javas.
Yeah, not the let me see how many you have. Oh, all of them are 8, yeah? Yeah, just remove all of them. Okay, so when you run, okay, so now you will have problem bringing up your Eclipse,
Uh-huh.
yeah,
Uh,
because that Eclipse needs Java at least 11, I believe.
mhm.
So you would need then, yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. That's correct. So now you need to, what was the version of your Eclipse?
I don't remember.
Oh,
I downloaded it like recently,
y-
a week ago.
yeah, okay. So probably you would need to install again your Eclipse.
All right, that's fine.
Yeah, and then go all of these you know procedures that we just talked.
Hmm.
Do you think that I can stay and we can go together, but do you think that you can do it by yourself?
I change it,
That's go
program files,
next.
that's
Yeah,
proper.
go to the next.
I should be able to do it by myself.
Yeah, okay. So,
Yeah. Also, about the Eclipse.
mhm. Which version of the Eclipse you are saying?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, go ahead. And let me see. I'll tell you exactly what version of the Eclipse. You need first to in yeah that one the one yeah that's the one
That one's
yeah.
good.
So fortunately, it has both uh, x86 and 64. Uh, both of them are. Oh, this is your Eclipse?
That was my current Eclipse. I just closed it and I'll start it up again.
Yeah. If probably if you. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, yours is the latest one.
Yeah, I downloaded it a week ago.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And window preference,
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Java, compiler 1.8,
good.
all JRE.
Wait. What is this?
This is the OpenJDK from
No,
eclipse.org.
no, that's not a good. Yeah, the one that you just install is better. It was under the, program and program files. Oh, wait. Yeah, JDK, the JDK one.
JDK
Yeah,
one.8 only.
exactly. Yeah. And I noticed one of your drives are full. Okay, so pick the first one.
Uh-huh.
Did?
Pick what? Pick the first.
Yeah, you need to pick the first one and make it a default. Yeah, the first one, make it default. Yeah. hmm hmm
And uh,
Okay.
SE8.
The third one better. You see, it is
Okay.
picking the JDK. You see. Yeah.
Next.
Probably you can finish. The rest of that are the.
Source is empty.
It will create that for you.
Okay. And for desktop, language non-finish.
Yeah. Oh,
And no errors.
good. Good. Double click. No errors. Yeah, probably you're all set to
Run as
Java.
Java
Yeah,
application.
there you go.
Yay.
Finally.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
Professor, do you mind showing me how to change the background to be darker mode?
Oh, the
Like,
Eclipse? Yeah,
yeah.
go ahead and share your screen again. I want to uh,
Okay.
give you something very cool.
All right.
Yeah, go ahead, go to Help,
Mhm.
Market, Eclipse Marketplace.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that was correct.
Oh, okay. It just went there automatically. That's weird. Okay.
Help,
Eclipse
Eclipse
Market.
Marketplace. Down, 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 down. Here, no, here, yeah. Wait a little bit, wait. Eclipse has a dark mode, but there is one plugin that is cool. Um, find just type dark, enter.
I'm currently using the Eclipse dark mode and the icons feel a little bit small and weird.
Okay,
The icons that are present in your videos always look much better.
yeah. So the first one, you see darkest dark.
Okay.
This is the cool one. Yeah. So let me see. Yeah, that's correct. Just confirm. Uh-huh. We
Accept.
usually don't read that. Yeah.
Yeah, just hit accept
Yeah,
and finish.
finish. Yeah. Saving our life. Yeah, okay, so it's installing right now.
Where is the installation progress seen? For me, and the only place I can see it is in the taskbar.
Uh,
Start.
yeah, you need to restart that. So what was your question again?
So when the Eclipse installation is going on, or some update installation is going on,
Uh-huh.
within the Eclipse window, where can you see the progress?
Oh, on the bottom right.
Okay.
Okay. So go to next and pick the middle one. Yeah, the middle one. Next. Yeah. Fix automatically.
Finally.
Yeah, fix automatically. Okay.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So now you
Thank
need
you.
to pick a theme. Okay, here is the,
Oh,
yeah. So the theme that I like is,
mm,
yeah, that one.
yeah, that one's cool.
Yeah.
Was that the one you used?
And the next one, the darkest, yeah, this one, pick the, recognize eye. Recognize that one. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. Just continue. Yeah.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Much better now.
Yeah. In the long,
Thank you so much,
yeah, sure, no
Professor.
problem. In long term, it saves your eyes, believe me.